Here is how you can turn off the reading mode on your Android. Let me show you how it would work. If it's your first time on Foxtecc, subscribe so you never miss anything important. So it kind of depends on what you mean specifically by this, but most likely it's a feature called talkback, meaning that you tap on something and it's gonna turn it into a spoken text. So if you want to disable this feature, what you have to do is to open up your settings app and find the features or accessibility section, which is somewhere at the bottom of the list. You can tap on it like this, and the feature talkback, which I mentioned, should be right here. So you can get inside and you can basically turn it off. So this wouldn't be that hard, but using the talkback or when it's enabled, the navigation around the phone is much different. So you can see that if you want to move between items, you can swipe right or left to move in between them, and you have to double tap to activate an item. So you don't just tap it once, because when you tap something once, it just reads it out loud. If you actually want to click it, you have to double tap it. And if you want to scroll, you don't just scroll with one finger, but you have to drag two fingers to scroll. So you're gonna get it to this place, you can get to this settings menu, but using these methods like double tapping to actually tap on something and scrolling with two fingers. But you should be able to get in here and actually disable the reading mode if that's the thing that you have in mind. So I hope it helps. Let me know your thoughts and opinions below in the comments. Thanks a lot for watching, and I will hopefully catch you later in the future uploads.